Our shrimp has just turned pink. We're going to turn our heat down on this. We don't need to. We want to cook it about 3/4 of the way. We don't need to cook it all the way through because we're going to put it in this marinade. End up cooking it overnight. So we'll dump our shrimp. We're going to put them right back in. And run some cold water over them to cool them down and stop them from cooking. We're going to bring our shrimp back to our onion and vinegar marinade. Going to give these a nice toss. And then we're going to put this in the refrigerator. We're going to marinate them overnight. So now we're going to start making our rice. So we're going to do that by making a vegetable stock. Going to measure out 2 cups of water. We'll bring this back to our burner. And we're going to add a tablespoon of vegetable stock. As you can see, this is very thick, and that's why we put the water in first, because it'll be easier to take this ball off. And once it is off, it'll stay in a ball, so we want to go ahead and mash it up so that all the chunks break up.